There's no denying that the previous years have been challenging. Many of us have been coping not just with the global pandemic, but also with the psychological repercussions of social withdrawal, financial instability, and health anxiety. But look at the brighter side. The world has been operating digitally. As the world is becoming increasingly digital, money making is now easier than ever. Today, there are many proven ways to make money digitally, but only a few can earn you as much as $500 daily. In this video, we'll outline 10 digital jobs that can have the potential to earn you $500 a day. In the meantime, kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel to enjoy other interesting videos like this. Without further ado, let's get cracking, shall we? Dropshipping. We want to begin our list with one of the most popular online methods of making cool cash. Dropshipping's popularity is increasing daily, as shown by Google Trends, underscoring its potential as a business concept. There's a lot of evidence to prove that dropshipping is a legitimate way to generate money online, including success tales about how an entrepreneur made $6,667 in 8 weeks, or how a business owner made 6 figures selling only one product. In case you aren't familiar with dropshipping, you can see it as a type of business where you sell products to clients. In this case, the supplier stores, packages, and sends the product to the buyer on your behalf. You can access millions of products with Shopify dropshipping, which you may include in your store. You may handpick your product photographs, update the item descriptions, and give your business a customized feel using several Shopify dropshipping apps, making customers want to purchase with you. Online business owners are now open to purchasing goods at wholesale pricing from platforms like Handshake. With dropshipping, you might just be a step from gaining financial freedom. Or what do you think? Website testing. As a tech professional, you know your website is one of the most important tools in your arsenal. However, ensuring your website is free from bugs and completely secure is essential. This is where a website tester will come in. You actually need to be a computer genius if you want to get paid to test website and apps. Well, I'm just joking. Many people believe so. But this is a misconception most people have about website testing. In reality, website testing is just an improved form of taking surveys in exchange for some cool cash. Instead of responding to product inquiries, you'll assist with a website or app's functioning, usability, and design. In essence, you'll earn money and improve the web by making it less buggy and more useful and better. Yes, as simple as it seems, you can earn as much as a whopping sum of $500 daily. You can consider working as a website tester, especially if you have a good eye for website design and development. It's an excellent way to earn money and become fully immersed in web development rapidly. A website tester needs to be proficient in communication, critical and logical thinking, as well as website functionality and design. Your job chances and test reporting quality may increase because of these qualities. The payment prices vary depending on the testing procedures and the platform's policies, and they're typically project-based. Website testers who engage in real-time client conversations earn higher money. Selling used items. Another wonderful option to earn cool cash is renting or selling used stuff, which is a terrific incentive to start organizing your home. This is easier than you think. First, take high-quality product images after inventorying the products you wish to sell. Then offer them on internet marketplaces. Make a website to house your online store if you intend to do this in the long run. Obviously, clothing is one of the most often used secondhand product categories. By 2026, it's anticipated that the market for used apparel will be worth $77 billion. Fortunately, the timing is just right to start selling your clothes and accessories. The market for used apparel and accessories is served by numerous online marketplaces like Tradesy, which specializes in women's apparel, bags, shoes, and accessories. Etsy is also a great site to sell one-of-a-kind, handcrafted, and vintage things. It's similar to Rebel and Depop, which focus on selling designer clothing, accessories, and luxury goods. Also, you can go as far as earning money online by selling secondhand goods outside clothing and accessories, like furniture, technology, sporting goods, and cars. The used automobile market in the US expanded greatly in 2021, and it's anticipated it will continue to grow in 2022. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the biggest ways to make money online. If you're a writer, administrative assistant, graphic designer, teacher, or developer, you can advertise your skills online and find clients who will pay you to put them to use. For each type of freelancer, there's also an endless array of work portals to choose from. As an illustration, independent writers can submit applications for positions on both specialized online job boards for writers and more general freelance websites like Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and others. If your abilities can't be used use to generate income streams directly, you can try making money with other transferable skills you have. You must first develop a solid portfolio if you want to work from home as a freelancer and earn money online. To begin, you may have to do some volunteer work for a few respectable mid-tier companies. You might approach large potential clients once you've built a strong portfolio to increase your internet income. You might be willing to accept any paid employment on Fiverr or Upwork if your goal is to begin freelancing. However, you will need to become smarter about the projects and the clients you deal with. With freelancing, you can earn as much as $500 depending on the project you're working on. Selling online courses. One of the best ways to earn money online is by selling courses. If you're an author on a subject, you can make money from your expertise by developing online courses. You can offer your course through your website in addition to Udemy and other course websites. Some businesses have made up to $5,000 per month with online courses. Firstly, you can take inspiration from popular courses in your niche to produce a well-liked and profitable course. Next, read the reviews and characteristics people are most fond of. How can you make something superior to what's already been made? Just concentrate on producing material that addresses the most common grievances and emulates the appealing qualities readers like. How much money you can make will depend on the platform where your course is sold. Sure, you won't need to put much effort into marketing your course if you sell it on Udemy. Almost anything may be set and forgotten. Perhaps you can spread the word on blogs or social media platforms. However, you could want to run ads to broadcast the course if it's hosted on your website. Additionally, you can promote upcoming courses by creating an email list without spending money on advertising. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has been one of the best ways to make cool cash online. Although its popularity has fluctuated over the years, it's still a reliable way to make money online. The good thing about affiliate marketing is the variety of businesses you can choose to work with, such as Shopify, Amazon, and Uber. With affiliate marketing, you can earn up to $500 by advertising and selling other companies' products. As an affiliate marketer, all you have to do is to increase sales by using the power of advertising services. Even if the commission you receive may seem insignificant, remember that you may work as an affiliate for multiple companies and include multiple affiliate links in a single blog post. Your best option is to focus on content marketing if you really want to increase sales. Also, you can develop a blog into a valuable asset by adding multiple pages of excellent content. To increase traffic to your affiliate partner's website, carefully choose which affiliate links to include in your blog entries. Online tutoring. You can also consider working as an online tutor if you want to earn money online on your schedule. Studenomics profiled an individual who earned $2,100 from tutoring in one semester. The most interesting part is he increased his clientele by giving excellent group prices. You might have a better chance of finding work as a tutor if you have a teaching degree. A degree or prior language learning experience is required for this profession. You might also consider an online tutoring, teaching, or mentoring position if you have once presented on the subject at a conference. English is a popular subject that most online tutors teach, although tutoring positions in the sciences and math are frequently in high demand. Tutoring could be the best platform to quickly make money if you're an expert in a particular field. Selling stock images and videos. Here's another interesting way to make money. If you enjoy taking really cool pictures, you can consider selling your works as stock images. You'll be able to earn while doing what you love. Many businesses and business owners use stock content in their advertisements, websites, and marketing campaigns. In addition to the traditional stock photo format, businesses continuously search for novel concepts and distinctive viewpoints to distinguish their brand. An excellent option is to register with online marketplaces and list your digital downloads there. By doing so, you'll promote your personal brand to potential customers. Whether you're a seasoned pro or not, you can make some cash from selling your photos online. You can also promote your work on websites like Shutterstock and Alamy. When someone downloads a copy of a photographer's image, these websites compensate them. Most developers of the platform you use to sell these images will split the revenue with you when an agency, brand, or anybody else purchases a photo or video from your digital portfolio. Online surveying. This method of making money has actually been mainstream for a long time. Here, you can make additional money by taking internet surveys. To To conduct surveys for broad market research, consumers are being paid to take part in the survey. These polls assist businesses in making business decisions, such as what kinds of products to introduce or where to place advertisements. Numerous market research firms actively seek new participants to take online surveys in exchange for money and other incentives. But take caution, many survey websites are scams that never pay up. Online surveys can be finished for payment. While taking surveys for cash won't instantly make you wealthy, it might give you a little extra cash when you need it. Creating a YouTube channel. Lastly, you can profit from YouTube if others can. Jimmy Donaldson, known as Mr. Beast, has earned over $54 million and is the highest paid YouTuber. He's known for posting odd antics and dangerous competitions on his YouTube channel. Jake Paul is another great earner who has amassed millions on YouTube by disseminating entertaining prank videos and boxing content. His reputation on YouTube and his boxing career enabled him to use his influence to generate income online outside of YouTube. In order to develop a robust, devoted audience on YouTube, your channel should concentrate on a specific niche. You may, for instance, make spoof videos, review things, teach skills, stream video games, provide cosmetics lessons, or whatever else you believe would be of interest to viewers. The key to succeeding on YouTube is to produce content that viewers will pay for. That's it, guys. You've made it to the end of this video. Once again, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon to turn on post notifications so you get updates when we post our videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.